channel. I'm Pam. If you're new here, I'm Pam and this Pam's Vlog Vibes. So today we're going to get into our day. We're going to finish up the closet. We're going to run some errands. We're going to have a great breakfast and we're just going to have a great day. So let's get started. I'm headed into Kroger now and we're going to get this day started. tell you, I stopped for gas and those gas prices are hitting. You hear me? They hitting. Okay. So let me show you what I got. So I did pick up some honey bunches of oat cereal, the honey roasted flavor. I did pick up some Kroger brand strawberry frosted shredded wheat. I did get some bananas, 2 bunches of bananas to go with the cereal. And then I got the self-rising crust pizza. I got 2 of those. It was a great deal. Then I did pick up the Nolan Ryan skirt steak. I don't know if you guys had this before, but so yeah, I picked up a skirt steak. I don't know if you guys had skirt steak before, but it is very tender. It is delicious. It is very good. You can make so many recipes with it. It can be cut into strips, made into tacos, made into burritos. You could add gravy with it. You can cook it in the oven. Oh, there's so many recipes. Seasoned just right, and it is on point. So back to the haul. And I did have some smoked neck bones. I picked up some Jimmy Dean sausages. I got 2 of those. I got some Country Crock original butter. And they had a great deal on the Kroger brand ice cream. So I did get the Kroger Deluxe mint chocolate chip and the Kroger Deluxe French vanilla. So that is going to be good. I got some home-style waffles. They also had a great deal on these, so I did pick those up. I got a tube of ground beef. I got the 5-pound. I picked up some fresh chicken breast, boneless. Great deal. Can't wait to get into that. And guys, I know, right? Right? Okay, so they had the taco shells, and I said, 10 for 10, why not? Let's get into it. Let's get started. So I got 10 of those. Great deal, great deal. And then I got the chicken Caesar salad kit. These, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These, I can't wait to taste that. I got 2 packages of bacon. I got the thick cut. And I got the natural hardwood smoked bacon. Both are Kroger brand. And oh my goodness, they had the Betty Crocker super moist yellow cake mix. Okay, and the devil food. Okay, so I did pick that up for some snacking. And so this is my haul, guys. Can't wait to get into that, but this is my haul, guys. Five family, we are doing awesome. So I am back, and let me show you how the Caesar salad came out. Let's check it out. So this is my Caesar salad that I did pick up from Kroger. As you can see, I did add some pepper jack cheese. It's got some chicken, it's got some croutons. So yes, I am about to get into that. The pepper jack cheese is going to give it that pop, that little spice of flavor. So yeah.